South Africans, it is a morning. You know what is happening in our country? It's a movie. What is happening in our beautiful country, South Africa? It's a movie. And zonke lezinto ezenzakalayo zenzakala under the leadership yaka Cyril Ramaphosa. All the bad things ezenzekayo. Right now, just this morning, I saw a video lapho khona ama-Somalians. They were attacking our police, abantu bemthetho. And you ask yourself, ukuthi even nathi as South Africans, we respect amaphoyisa, we respect abantu bemthetho, we respect nemithetho ebekiwe la in our country. Manje afternoon, I saw a video lapho khona the illegal foreigners, because I would like to believe ukuthi if they were legal, they wouldn't do what they were doing. They were marching, attacking our government, the things that they were saying. You ask yourself, ukuthi these people, why aren't they going to go and do those things in their countries? Why aren't they going to go and march against their government? Why aren't they going to go and make demands to their government, to their countries? So you ask yourself, ukuthi, what is happening like South Africa? Where you would have people coming to our country illegal, bangahloniphi imithetho yethu. I mean, just last year I was supposed to travel and go to Lesotho, but I could not go to Lesotho. I mean, Lesotho is just here. I mean, some of my family members are there, but I could not go there because of I could not find my passport. That was the reason why I could not go. And meaning irrespecta imithetho ebekiwe lapho. So you ask yourself, people come to South Africa illegal and they do as they please. And today, the very same people who are illegal, they march against our government. You ask yourself, the demands that they are making, why aren't they going to go and make it to our leader Wabo? Today, our leaders are being disrespected. I mean, some of us, some of us, see respect amaphoyisa. Just yesterday, I was driving with my friend. I was telling him, in all the things that you can do, kuyonke into ongayenza, abantu bomthetho, amaphoyisa, ama-traffic cop, mabakumisa endleleni, even where sometimes you can feel ukuthi they are wrong. But those are people that you cannot argue with. Those are people that you must respect. But you'd have people coming from somewhere who are illegal, and that's why they will do illegal things because of yonke into. Even coming to our country, they came illegal. And you ask yourself, what is our government saying? What is our government saying? What is our president doing? With all the crime that is happening, you ask yourself, what is our government doing? But also, what do you expect? All the bad things have happened under the leadership of Cyril Ramaphosa.